Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm giving you a quick but complete 2025 guide on how to create a brand new Google Slides presentation from start to finish. Whether you're preparing a school project, a business pitch, or a personal slideshow, this step-by-step tutorial will help you get set up and ready to present in just minutes. So stick with me until the end. Accessing Google Slides. First, open your favorite web browser and head over to slides.google.com. If you're not signed in yet, you'll be asked to log in with your Google account email and password. Don't have a Google account? No worries. Just click Create Account, follow the prompts, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage, your main hub for everything presentations. Here, you'll see your recent files and the options to start something new, starting a new presentation. To create a presentation completely from scratch, click the big blank button in the top left corner. This opens a clean, empty slide deck where you can design every detail yourself. If you'd like a head start, check out the template gallery right next to the blank button. Google offers a variety of professionally designed templates, perfect for business proposals, photo portfolios, school assignments, and more. Templates save time and instantly give your slides a polished, professional look. Customizing your slides. Once your blank presentation or chosen template is open, it's time to make it yours. Each slide acts like a page where you can add text, click into the text boxes, or insert new ones for titles, subtitles, or detailed content. Images and videos. Use the Insert menu to bring in photos, graphics, or even YouTube videos. Transitions and animations. Add smooth slide changes or fun effects to keep your audience engaged. Design tweaks. Change backgrounds, adjust colors, and choose different layouts to match your style or brand. You can also include speaker notes below each slide to guide your talking points during a presentation, super handy when you're live. Next, steps and sharing. When you're finished designing, your work is automatically saved to Google Drive, so you never have to worry about losing progress. To share, click the yellow share button in the top right. From there, you can invite collaborators by email or copy the link to send to your team, classmates, or audience. And that's it, a full 2025 quick start guide to creating a brand new Google Slides presentation. You're now ready to design, customize, and share like a pro. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple tech guides every week. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.